The fuel cap isolation system is made up of two parts: the fuel cap isolation controller and the refill nozzle. The fuel cap isolation system is designed to prevent operators driving away from a fuel station and causing damage to hoses, the refueling station, as well as the nozzle on the machine. The way the system works is when the operator gets to a refueling station and attaches the fuel nozzle, it isolates the machine's ignition circuit, so there's no way of starting the machine and driving off. Through the Wiggins connector, the refueling nozzle goes on. This isolates the ignition circuit, so operators can't start the machine. Once the operator puts the cap back on, they are able to start the machine through the ignition. It can also be wired through the park brake switch if required. The fuel cap isolation system has an intrinsically safe circuit inside to allow the solution to operate in Zone 0 hazardous areas.